The summer heat has caused some Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC drivers to cool off in the air conditioning on buses that are not in service. Authorities at JUTC call the practice idling and are threatening to get tough on drivers who are caught. TVJ's Kirk Wright explains.
At North Parade in downtown Kingston, buses assigned to various routes parked in designated lanes awaiting passengers. Across the road, at the St. William Grand Park, more buses. But it's not clear why they've made it a habit to park there, and the management of the JUTC appears clueless about the matter.
It has not been brought to my attention, or certainly the attention of operations, but it is something that we are prepared to look into and to make the necessary corrective measures if indeed our operators are in fact doing so.
One thing for sure, at times they're parked for extended periods with engines running and their air conditioning left on. This bus in particular was parked for over an hour with its engine running, its front door left open and water dripping from the back, a clear sign that the air conditioning was also left on. And if that wasn't enough, the battery in that bus was working overtime. The lights were also left on.
Idling of buses is really a challenge for us. Much of it is as a result of poor driver behavior, and it is something that we try to incorporate in their training, that they ought to desist from it.
The JUTC says buses consume petrol even when it's left to idle. The thing is, the JUTC is not yet able to quantify the impact this has had on their fuel bill, but the fact is, it does.
I think in April we spent in the region of 191, and in May $212 million on fuel.
Good news is the JUTC has recently acquired technology to track the idling of buses, among a host of other infractions its drivers may engage in.
We have a technology that we call RMA. It is not on all 500 of the buses that we have now in our fleet. We do have them on several of the units, which enables us to see where exactly a bus is located, whether or not it is in fact idling.
As for parking in the general area, including parking on the sidewalk, the CEO at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, Robert Hill, says that should not happen. The corporation doesn't have the capability to remove JUTC buses breaking the law like this one. It would require a wrecker seen here that's only owned by the JUTC. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.